The kingdom Animalia is divided into the following 8 phyla: phylum Cnidaria, phylum Platyhelminthes, phylum Nematoda, phylum Annelida, phylum Mollusca, phylum Arthropoda, phylum Echinodermata, phylum Chordata. Cnidarians, previously called coelenterids, have a sac-like radially symmetrical body which is soft-like and jelly-like. The body wall is made up of 2 single layers of single cells, separated by a non-cellular jelly called mesoglea. This encloses a central cavity which has only one opening, or mouth. Surrounding the mouth is a ring of tentacles bearing stinging cells called cnidoblasts. Examples of this phylum include hydra, obelia, jellyfish, sea anemone, and corals. Hydra is a small animal, 5 to 10 millimeters long, which lives in ponds. Attached to the pond weed, it reproduces sexually and asexually. In asexual reproduction padding, it produces a pad on the side of its body, which detaches and becomes an independent animal. This is how the hydra looks like. Phylum Platyhelminthes, flatworms. Platyhelminthes are flattened dorsoventrally and are bilaterally symmetrical. They are unsegmented with a mouth except setops, but no anus. The phylum includes 3 main classes: class Tubellaria, that's the tubellarians; class Trematoda; class Cestoda. These are the tapeworms. Class Tubellaria. Tubellarians are small, flattened, free-living platyhelminthes. They live in the sea, in fresh water, and in moist places on land. The body is covered with cilia, and the mouth is on the ventral surface. Many have simple eyes. Example is the planaria. Class Trematoda, flukes. All flukes are parasites. The body of a fluke is covered with a thick cuticle. They have suckers which attach them to the host. They do not have eyes or cilia. Examples include Phaseola, Heptica, liver fluke, and Schistosoma, which causes bilharzia or schistosomiasis. Class Cestoda, tapeworms. Tapeworms have a thick cuticle. The scolex has suckers, or both hooks and suckers. The flattened, elongated body consists of segments called proglottides. An example of a cetode is Taenia solium, which lives as a parasite in the alimentary canal of humans and in the muzzle or the pit muzzles. Under the kingdom Animalia is the phylum Nematoda, roundworms. Nematodes or roundworms live in fresh water, the sea, soil, or in other organisms. The body is elongated, cylindrical, and unsegmented, and has a mouth and an anus. It is bilaterally symmetrical and pointed at each end. Roundworms include free-living forms such as raptors and human parasites such as ancylostoma hookworms or Dracunculus guinea worm. Is a guinea worm. Phylum Annelida, Sedimented Worms. Annelids have a cylindrical, clearly segmented body, which tapers to a point at each edge. The body segments often bear small bristles called chaetae, singular chaeta, which aid locomotion. The phylum contains the following three classes. Class Polychaeta, marine worms. Class Oligochaeta, earthworms. Class Hirudini, leeches. Class Polychaeta, marine worms. These worms live on the seashore, in the sand, under stones, and in burrows, or enclosed in tubes. They have a distinct head and lateral projections called parapodia, which typically bear a tuft of chaeta. Examples include bristle worm, Nereis, the ragworm, or Arenicola, lagworm. This is a picture of a bristle worm. Hirudini, leeches. Leeches are characterized by the presence of one or two suckers. They are used to attach to hosts in order to feed on their blood. They have no distinct heads, parapodia, or chaeta. They are aquatic and are found in bodies of fresh water, such as lakes.